If you were a multi-millionaire and you could get anything we want, what would it be? A beach hut by the sea? Perhaps a motorbike to go with it? And maybe even a huge yacht to go into the sea with. But of course, we can't all have beach huts by the sea, motorbikes and yachts in the back garden. There's lots and lots of us in the world, and we can't all have all the things that we want. Why not? Well, the problem is, of course, scarcity. For one, we'd probably need someone like a carpenter, an architect, an engineer, and a steelsmith. The more labour you have, the more things you'd be able to make. But even with an infinite supply of labour, you still wouldn't be able to give everybody everything they wanted. It's not just labour that we need. Trees are used for wood and timber. Raw materials such as oil are extracted from underneath the ground. Water can be used for water energy and other industrial purposes. Cattle can be raised in fields, and agricultural products can be grown from the ground. But even with all of these raw materials, even with an infinite supply of raw materials, we still wouldn't have enough resources to make the things that everybody wants. We would still need tools and machines, increasingly computerized technology, and factories. Capital is different from land resources because, of course, this is man-made and not naturally occurring. Now, with all of the capital, all of the labour, and all of the raw materials, we would be able to make many, many things in this economy, but it would only be true that if these things were infinite, that we could make beach houses, motorbikes, and yachts for every single person. And given that in the real world, all of these things are actually scarce, we're therefore limited in how much we can make in the economy. The basic economic problem is, therefore, we have unlimited wants and needs, but limited resources with which to satisfy those wants and needs. And economics really is simply the study of how we can best allocate those resources between the competing wants and needs. Who gets to have the surfboard? Who gets to have the motorbike? And who gets to have the apple?